With steely focus, a soldier stands guard, eyes scanning the horizon, ever ready to respond to any provocation. This is the Tangdhar sector in Jammu and Kashmir. A crucial part of Operation Sindoor unfolded here, one of the most sensitive and volatile stretches along the line of control. Strategically positioned, the area overlooks the Lipa Valley in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, a hotspot for infiltration attempts by terrorists from across the border. In the early hours of May 7th, the situation escalated. Pakistani forces violated the ceasefire between the two countries by launching heavy artillery and small arms fire targeting Indian Army posts and civilian areas near Lipa Valley. The aim of Operation Sindoor was to neutralize terrorist launchpads and forward positions that aid infiltration across the LOC. And yet again, the Indian Army demonstrated its operational prowess, monitoring every movement and leaving no room for error. The soldiers here form the front line of India's defense, alert at all times, ensuring that no threat slips through. For them, precision is not a choice, it's a necessity. A Jawan aims carefully, steady with his target in sight, his purpose clear.
Tangdhar sector is one of the most sensitive sectors of Indian Army along the line of control. Not just because it bulges inside the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, but also because of its proximity of approximately 28 kilometers from the town of Muzaffarabad, which is towards the west. As far as the events pertaining to Op Sindoor unfolded in this sector, all the troops which were deployed here were completely and fully prepared for any misadventure from the Pakistani side, and we have retaliated in a very calibrated, proportionate and a precision manner, targeting the various identified terrorist launch pads and the forward posts which have been supporting these infiltration activities.
This level of operational excellence hasn't been achieved overnight. It has been built through precise planning, relentless practice, unwavering discipline and constant battlefield readiness. Armed with modern equipment and backed by seasoned leadership, the Indian Army continues to protect our frontiers with unmatched resolve.
मेरे बाएं तकरीबन 400 मीटर की दूरी पर पाकिस्तान द्वारा इलीगली ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर यानी पीओके की लीपा वैली है। 7 मई रात 2025 तकरीबन 2:30 बजे सीज फायर का उल्लंघन करते हुए इस सेक्टर में दुश्मन की पोस्ट ने हमारी पोस्ट और सिविलियन इलाकों पर भारी तादाद में आर्टिलरी, मोटर्स और स्मॉल आर्म्स का फायर शुरू कर दिया था। इंडियन आर्मी जो कि 24 घंटे ऐसी किसी भी सिचुएशन से जूझने के लिए रेडी रहती है, हमने दुश्मन की इस गुस्ताखी का मुंहतोड़ जवाब दिया और अगले 3 दिनों की घमासान फायरिंग में दुश्मन की कई पोस्ट को बर्बाद करके उसके ट्रुप्स को भारी क्षति पहुंचाई।
Army personnel here, as in other frontline border areas, regularly conduct drills, a vital component of their training and readiness. Whether it's towed howitzers or field guns, these heavy weapons form the backbone of ground retaliation, delivering firepower exactly when and where it's needed.
As part of Op Sindoor, जब हमको बताया गया कि हमें टेररिस्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एलओसी के पार इंगेज करना है, हमारे प्लान्स रेडी थे और हमने दिए हुए टाइम पे उन सबको इंगेज किया। जब दुश्मन ने ये देखा कि हम बहुत ही एक्यूरेटली उनको इंगेज कर रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने कोशिश करी कि वो हमारे गन एरियाज पे फायर डाले, बट वो नाकामयाब रहा और उसकी फायर बिल्कुल इनएक्यूरेट थी। दुश्मन की फायरिंग में हमको कोई भी नुकसान नहीं हुआ है। हमारे सारे इक्विपमेंट और जवान सही सलामत हैं और जो नुकसान हुआ है वो दुश्मन का हुआ है।
The Indian Army's response wasn't limited to ground firepower. In the skies, a different kind of vigilance was at work. Mobile radar units such as this one scan the skies 24/7, tracking everything from drones to supersonic aircraft. They are part of a multi-layered defense system that enables our forces to detect and intercept airborne threats before they can cause any damage.
ये फ्लाई कैचर वेपन कंट्रोल सिस्टम है। यह लंबी दूरी से आने वाले किसी भी एयर एक्टिविटी को सर्वेलेंस कर सकता है। नज़दीक आने पर यह दुश्मन के एयर प्लेटफॉर्म को ट्रैक कर सकता है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में अपनी इसी खासियत की वजह से इस क्षेत्र में आए हुए दुश्मन के सभी एयर प्लेटफॉर्म को न्यूट्रलाइज करने में अहम भूमिका निभाई है।
Coordinating these efforts was a high-tech command and control center, integrating inputs from radar systems deployed across the sector.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान यह जो पर्टिकुलर कमांड एंड कंट्रोल सेंटर है, जितने भी रडार हमारे इस थिएटर में थे, उनका सर्विलेंस फीड उसने इंटीग्रेट किया और एक स्क्रीन पे हमें प्रेजेंट किया, जिससे कि हमें पता लग सका कि किस डायरेक्शन से कौन सा एरियल थ्रेट दुश्मन का आ रहा है। उसके बाद जो यहाँ पर एडी कमांडर बैठा था, वह डिसीजन ले पा रहा था कि किस डायरेक्शन से, किस बेयरिंग में, कितने रेंज पे कौन सा टारगेट, हॉस्टाइल टारगेट आ रहा है।
Operation Sindoor also saw the deployment of the recently upgraded L-70 air defense gun, enhanced for day and night operations. Equipped with an indigenous fire control radar, electro-optical sights and thermal imaging, the L-70 showcases India's technological strides towards self-reliance.
So what you have been seeing in front of you is an upgraded L-70, one of the most potent and lethal weapon of Army AD. And recently it has been upgraded by the Bell, giving its own fire control system, making it engaging target in day and night as well. And one of the greatest step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat during the Op Sindoor, that has played an important role for shooting down all the aerial platforms that have been trying to ingress into the Indian airspace. And this gun have proven its potential once again.
Operation Sindoor sent a strong message that India remains alert, equipped and prepared to respond to any misadventure by its adversaries across the border. From boots on the ground to radars in the sky, the Indian Army demonstrated that it stands firm in its mission to protect the nation's sovereignty.